How to return items in AliExpress. Open the AliExpress application. Tap on the account icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the option My Orders. You'll be able to see all of your orders over here. Unfortunately, I do not have any order, but I'll tell you what to do. Find the item that you want to return. Tap on it. Tap on the option Return or Refund. Answer the questions regarding whether you received the item and if you want to return it. Select a specific reason for the return. You can find the reasons from the drop-down menu. You can find the options like item not as described, damage, etc. Choose whether you want to return and refund or a refund only. If you tap on the option Return and Refund, you can send the item back. Add an explanation and upload supporting proof. You can upload clear photos or video of the issue. Now choose the return method. When submitting the form, you'll need to select your return shipping method. You can select free return service or you can also select self drop-off. Now ship the item. Wait up to 48 hours for the seller or the AliExpress dispute team to review and approve your request. If approved, carefully pack the item with its original packaging. Attach the provided label. Mail the package and obtain a tracking number. Through that tracking number, you'll be able to track the order. Once the seller receives and confirms the return package, your refund will be processed. It will usually appear in your original payment account within 3 to 20 business days. Like this, you'll be able to return items in AliExpress. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.